This quick weeknight meal had everyone coming back for seconds.
Hey Mom, what's for dinner?
This was a typical fridge meal using things I already had on hand, including those condiments that seemed to build up. So I used 1 tablespoon sriracha, gochujang, soy sauce, hoisin, and flax oil, and a teaspoon each of toasted sesame and fish sauce. Got that chicken marinating and popped it in the fridge until I was ready to use it, which in this case was from lunch until dinner time. Found some yellow squash, zucchini, as well as this shredded cabbage that I knew needed to get used, along with some chili garlic crisp, which I used in the rice later. You'll see I have the rice, which I added the water to and cooked. I used parboiled, and here's my little tip. Never measure your rice again. Just pop your rice in the pan, fill the water level up to that high above your rice, and you're good to go. I used some kickin' garlic sauce I found at the farmer's market along with some garlic salt to season up my rice. Cooked it for 20 minutes and it was ready. My chicken I popped in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, chopped up all my vegetables and stir-fried them in the wok. I used some miso paste and coriander chutney that I had to season up those vegetables, and they were delicious. After these veggies had sautéed for 4 or 5 minutes, I went ahead and added the cabbage and the seasonings. There's my rice, my finished chicken when it came out of the oven, beautiful, and my stir-fried veggies. I did add that chili garlic crisp and that crunchy onion in chili oil with some miso to the rice to finish it off. I hope you use the condiments in your fridge to make a great dinner some night too. This is the finished product, and we all loved it.